Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a new script which is called Pivot Strategy Daily. By the name, it is a day trading strategy. Previously, I have shown you this S&R zone plotter where basically it will actually plot out all the support and resistance on the time frame that you are looking on. And the purpose of using this is to give you a more holistic view of the support and resistance on the higher time frame to let you see the bigger picture, roughly where it will go. Now let's say I'm going to do the trading on intraday basic and I don't want to do a longer term of holding the trades, so I will need this pivot strategy trading. So right now let me show you again how S&R zone work together with the pivot strategy daily. So what you need to do now is that click, drag, right? So support and resistance all done, and I mentioned just now, if it's down then it will go to level 2, and it goes up, it will go to level 1. So this will be the only two directions that will be going for today's market. And now you drag and pull the same thing, but now you drag pivot strategy daily, drag in, and it will draw all the support and resistance line for today only. So you switch over to lower time frame, like maybe M15 or M30 will be good. All right, so you can see the line will be more spread out compared to what you have seen previously in the H4, right? This will be like clustered all together, like wow, so many things. So you bring into lower time frame to only see for what you need to see. Press Ctrl Y to bring out this called period separator, and this will actually separate out today market and yesterday market. So in this section will be today market because the market haven't finished until the end. This is January 15, which already from here to here already finished the trend, and you can see that this is a downtrend and this is a so-called a little bit sideways but more going down kind of markets. So we only focus on today market right now, and we already know the price is somewhere around resistance 5, and this level, right, in this support and resistance level 5, there will be only two cases: either it will going to sideways or it will go to down or go to up to the another support and resistance. So from here I already know one thing. Okay, what trend that I'm looking for? Number one, I might look for a downtrend. Why? Because this is the white line. The white line basically telling me as a pivot. Anything above it will be an uptrend market. Anything below it is a downtrend market. Don't confuse yourself with others periods. Only focus on today's market, which is only this section here. When the price is below the white color will be the downtrend. So current markets, I only focus on one thing, which is downtrend moment. And the next thing you can see is that there will be another two dotted line, which is the pink color one and the green color. For the pink color, it means that today maximum price. So let's say from the price, suddenly there will be some news, some Donald Trump speaking, fighting with other people, right? For example, and suddenly the Euro USD was spiked up and it goes up to here. Then at around this area, what will happen is that the price will same thing, go sideways, or two cases, go sideways or pop up. For cases that will pop up, that means that today's market will be crazy. You need to somehow judge your trade face to face using your eyes to see how the market goes after that. That will be a super crazy market. But if the market goes up and never reach it, right, still somewhere in between, right, lower than that for how many points, right, about 200 points, moving around pink color line, it means that the market doesn't have enough volume to reach there. In other words, the uptrend moment is getting slower, weaker and weaker. So take note on that. If the market goes up and stay below, then it's coming weaker markets. If it reach here, right, around this area, then which means it's a good market. Okay, you should exit around your trade somewhere here. And if the market pops goes up, then it's a crazy market. You need to judge it if you are still trading, and if you are losing money, then you need to be careful because you are going to lose your whole account. As my experience, when the price goes up, then usually it will go for many furthermore. The next line is actually the green line, and green line, red line is the same thing. Green line represent today's support. Like today price, if goes down, it will reach the green line here, and you know you can exit at the green line. If it's below, right, let's say the market end it here, which means the sell trend market is about to end, because even though it's a sell trend, but it is still too far away from this green line, which mean the sell strength is reducing, right? It's quite weak, so you should not take action to push the price down. You can't push the market. So to summarize, the red line is today maximum, the green line is today minimum. Just now I have removed all the support and resistance that drawn by S&R zone because I feel like it's kind of too blocking my eyes. Alright, there will be too many objects on it. I want it to be clean and clear, and I turn it to minute 5 to make sure that everything is nicely present here. So now there will be another two type of line colors, which is the blue color down here and red color up there. So as you can predict already, the blue line actually represent daily supports, and these are the support levels that whenever the price reach there, it will somehow behave in two ways. Number one, it will stay there. Number two, it will rebound or it will go to other side. So like what you can see, this is the number one level of today markets. So in this light blue line, when the price reach there, it actually kind of rebounds here around for a certain time, and on the night time in Malaysia, it actually start to rebound and going down. Where is actually going? To the second level, which is here. So I can go for a sell. Let me repeat again. It's below the white line and it's below this line, which means I already see that the market is like, moving up and down, up and down, up and down, up, down, up, down, and it's going to weaker and weaker again. So it is actually going to the next level, which is the darker blue color line. So I drag the thread all the way to here, and I already set my take profit here. Wait, I should put my stop loss here. Right, that's all. That's all for the most basic trading. To add a little bit more on the use case of this three color line, which is the this and this and this three line is actually representing three different things. Level 1 of the strength of the market, level 2 of the strength of the market, and the number 3 will be the strongest one, which is level 3 of the support of the market. Basically what it actually tells me is that when the market actually behave right, moving around this area, the price is actually kind of a strong downtrend. And if it's actually below these two areas, right, which is the level 2 and level 3, this means the market is actually even stronger, right? It will go down even furthermore. And there will be another line, which is here, right? This line is called level 4 support, and this is a very rare to let the price to reach. When the price reach here, then you need to be very careful if you are still losing money, because if it reach here, meaning that there will be a lot of seller pushing the price all the way to this level. And you can see from the past, right, this is very rare for the price to reach that level, right? There will be almost no chance to reach over there. Same goes to the upside. Above the white color line will be resistance, and this is the first resistance level, and this is the second resistance level, and this will be the third one. So let's say today the price, instead of moving down, it's actually moving upwards, and in moving upwards and reach here, right, reach the first resistance, right? So it will actually stable here, or it will still continue to goes up. In between these two areas, the market trend will be strong. All right, the word is strong. Goes up again more, this is stronger, right? Level 2 stronger, right? In between these two regions. And what if it goes up again, which is going up to here again? This is the super strong trend, right? Super strong uptrend. As you can see, if it really need to from here starting price all the way goes up, what it is actually doing is that it basically goes up one time, then yesterday, and goes up another time. In simple terms, which means the market is going to be crazily strong uptrend. And you can see the level 4 is very rare the price will reach there, but yes, it reached, but on opposite directions. When price goes up, it is very rare to reach that level. The most level it goes is only level 3, which is around here. Okay, now I will make a summary for you. Alright, I know this is a new thing for you, but take it easy. Let me remove everything and I restart. A very quick one. So what you need to do now is that on your chart, drag in pivot daily and make sure that you're having this period separator which separate out today's market and yesterday market. So we only focus on today's market, make it bigger, and this is today market. The first thing is above white color line is uptrend, below white color line is downtrend. Note it down and make sure that you know today market is up or down. Second thing, when the price is moving around level 1 and level 2, which is this area, or going down will be this area, meaning the market is actually in a strong trend, right? Strong downtrend, strong uptrend. When the price goes up even further, which reach to this area or this area, which means the market is even stronger. I usually call this as a normal trend, which is a normal day supposed to be reached there on day-to-day basis. And over this number 2 and number 3 level here, right, I will call this as a strong trend, which basically you can very confidently trade for. Let's say here confident, go for buy, here confident, go for sell. And what if it is going to be even further, which is here level 3 to level 4 area. In this area you can consider the market is in crazy zone and you need to behave differently. Number 1, you need to avoid trading on this kind of crazy market, and number 2, if you are still holding some trades that for short-term purpose, then you should consider to exit your trend. After you have the ability to identify the uptrend and downtrend and what level of the trend is normal, strong, or super crazy strong, then you need to understand what is the potential of the market price that will be going. So for today's, right, the potential that will be going is from here today opening all the way goes down to the green line if it's downtrend. If it's uptrend, then from here goes all the way up to the pink color line. So that's all, right? Should be easy, right? Take note that this support and resistance line is actually require you to rerun it again, right? Just pull in back. Like what you can see just now, what happened is that the price, right, the pink color line is actually shifting down a little bit more because it's very easy. The price is actually changing from time to time, and the price need to be adjust level of support and resistance again and again. This is something that I haven't seen many people doing, is that support and resistance line is actually need to be modified from time to time, and many people don't know how to modify it. So easiest way for you is that just drag, pull and back again and again. You can see well any changes or not, but usually the changes is not that big lah. So that's all for this section, pivot strategy daily. I will see you in the next video. Bye.